Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the case may be. This is Marty Grunder from the Grow Group. I'm with my partner, Vincent Torchia, and we are socially distant in the Grow Group offices in Cincinnati. This week, we wanted to talk to you about sales, right?
Right. So right now we're talking with a lot of our clients, coaching clients, peer group clients, and something that a lot we're hearing from people are people still want to buy, but they're pausing for right now. Maybe stopping services this month, or maybe we can pick up phase one of this in the fall. We wanted to share a couple tactics and solutions to get around that.
So one of the things that we would advise you to do is something called an unsolicited quote, and that's where you go out and you actually visit your clients' properties with your iPad. If you're using Aspire, a little plug for Aspire, this is very easy to do. Take a picture, put a quote together, send it to them. Like my buddy Frank Mariani says, every landscape in America needs a flat of Cassandra. You might not sell that job right then, but you might get it in the future. And I'm of the opinion, Vince, you'll never ever go wrong by talking to your clients. You're building rapport, you're taking up conscious positioning, and when the economy does turn around, and when things turn around, and it is going to turn around, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be there. I know you've done some work with one of our clients where they came up with a team-based solution. Tell us about that one.
Right. So as part of their sales meetings, they're looking at month revenue goals. So in the month of May, in the month of June, they need to hit $200,000 of recurring revenue. They got up to about 180, and as a team, they talked about, okay, where can we get this other $20,000? And as a team, they talked about what projects they sold they could do maintenance on, who they could call, who they hadn't talked to in the last year. But as a team, they crowdsourced, and within about 15 minutes, they had about 10 or 15 clients they could go call on to close out that other $20,000 they needed.
That's awesome. I love it when teams work together, they come up with solutions. Listen, when you do nothing, what happens?
Nothing happens.
Nothing. So put your best foot forward, as hard as and difficult as it may seem. Go out, talk to your clients, look for new ways, talk to your team, and you can make a sale. Have a great week.
As always, if you need anything at the Grow Group, send us an email at grow@growgroupinc.com. We'll be happy to help you.
Thanks, Vince. See ya.